In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Suno AI's subscription 5 minutes. If you're ready to stop your paid plan and move back to free, I'll walk you through the exact screens to click, what to expect after you cancel, and a few tips so there are no surprises. Start by opening your browser and heading to suno.com. Log into your account just like you normally do. If you use a social sign-in, make sure you pick the same method you used when you subscribed so you land in the right account. I recommend doing this on a desktop browser for the clearest view, though the steps are the same on mobile. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This opens a small menu with your account options. From that menu, choose Manage Subscription. That link takes you to your billing or account page where you can see your current plan and any upgrade or downgrade options. On the account page, find your current plan and click the Cancel option. Depending on the interface, you might see wording like cancel plan, cancel membership, or something similar. If a confirmation screen pops up, read it carefully so you know exactly when the change takes effect. This doesn't delete your account, it simply stops the paid plan. If you're on a pro plan, here's an important detail. You may need to select cancel under the free plan option. That's how Suno handles downgrades. Clicking cancel beneath free tells the system to move you from pro back to the free tier. It can feel a little counterintuitive, but it's the correct choice if your goal is to end the paid subscription. After you confirm, Suno schedules the change for the end of your current billing cycle. That means you'll keep your pro features until your paid period runs out, and then you'll automatically be downgraded to the free plan. You shouldn't be charged again after the current cycle, and you can still upgrade again later if you change your mind. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Double check that you're on the correct account if you manage more than one. Look for a confirmation message or email and keep it for your records. And if you don't see the cancel option, try refreshing the page or switching browsers to make sure the billing page fully loads. That's it. You've now moved from a paid Suno plan back to free, with the change taking effect at the end of your billing cycle. Thanks for watching and take care.